Hi, I'm Amy. If you're over 50 and you're thinking about retirement and you're feeling overwhelmed with debt and uncertainty, I want you to know that you're not alone and it's not too late to build a better future. Now, the last couple of years, my husband and I have found ourselves in a place we never expected. My husband went to work, and then I stayed home with our kids when they were growing up. Once they got into school, then I was able to go part-time, but I was working on their schedule, so I wasn't making a whole lot of money. And when they weren't in school, I wasn't at all. So like in the summer months, I wasn't making any money. So then as they started driving, I started working a little bit more. And then once he started driving, then I finally went back full time. Now, I do not regret anything. Staying home with those kids, that was the best decision we could have made for them. But it didn't help us financially. Financially, we never were able to get ahead. And in fact, again, like I've said, we've gotten ourselves in debt over the years. So now fast forward to now where we're looking to retire. And again, just feeling overwhelmed. What are we going to do? So that's when I started looking online, because getting a second job wasn't really an option for us. Between our church and us, both of us working full time, and we do still have kids' activities that we still go see and go be a part of. There just wasn't time to get a second job to really make any money. So that's why we went online. As I was looking online, I found this blueprint. And the more I looked into it, the more I realized I believe that God has brought this into my life to help my family with our financial freedom. This blueprint showed me a digital program that was already done for me. I didn't have to be tech savvy, which is a good thing because I'm not. And it gave me a step-by-step process to get my business up and running. I truly believe with this program and with God's help, we're headed for financial freedom. And now I want to help others do the same thing. So are you tired of feeling stuck or overwhelmed in the situation you're in? Have you been afraid that it's too late and that you're too old to start over on something new? Let me tell you, you're not. You're not too late. It doesn't matter if you're tech savvy. This program truly helps those of us who are older. If you're ready, I have that same free blueprint for you to get you started on your financially free journey. The blueprint explains a step-by-step process that teaches you how to start up your business and start making money online. All you have to be is coachable and have a willingness to learn, and you can be successful. Now, what is this program about? It's a digital marketing program. So what's digital marketing? It's the use of internet and digital tools to promote products and services or brands to reach and connect with potential customers. Imagine having a done-for-you digital business that's ready to start earning while learning with no tech skills needed. You get a fully built website and automated email sequence, which means the emails are already done for you and they go out maybe while you're sleeping. It's working for you all the time. 4 high converting digital products and full master resale. And what that means is you get to earn 100% of that profit. So you learn and then you get certified to resell that at 100% profit. Where else can you do that? But this isn't just a business. It's a complete system designed to help you learn while you earn, giving you the tools and training to grow your income and confidence at the same time. It's perfect for anyone looking to build a digital income with zero groundwork. So think about it. If you are interested in digital marketing and you went to college and took a course, you paid quite a bit of money, but they would only teach you in theory. More than likely, you wouldn't come out of there with something to automatically start making money. With this done-for-you system, you're actually learning and earning as you go along, and you get everything handed to you. There's no years waiting to see return on your investment, while still gaining valuable digital marketing skills that a college course won't offer. And another great thing about this program is you never have to do anything alone. You'll receive ongoing training that walks you through the whole process from setting up your business to scaling your business. So you're constantly learning and you're growing. And you have tech people to help you if you're not tech savvy. You will be a part of a community who's there for you, who will support you, who will answer any questions you have. They're like-minded. They're on the same journey that you're on. They may just be a little bit further along. Whether you have a question, you need encouragement, or you just want to celebrate a win, the community is there to lift you up and keep you moving forward. It's like having a team in your corner the whole step of the way. If this is something that sounds like something you're interested in, then just go comment Blueprint and I'll be glad to send you the link to that free blueprint. Or you can just go click on the link below that I have provided for you. You'll be taken to my website to where you put in an email address. Then from there, you will be sent an email that has the blueprint for you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. So go click on the link or comment Blueprint, ask any questions that you have. And then don't forget to go back and subscribe because again, I'm going to be putting more videos on here throughout the weeks of my financial journey, and I will continue to update that and give more information. So don't forget to go and subscribe. I will be continuing to put new videos on and I will be giving more information, and you'll be able to follow my process as we go through my financial freedom as well.